The electric pit bike market in 2026 is an absolute minefield. On one side, you have toys that snap in half the first time you land a jump, and on the other, you have $13,000 professional motocross bikes that cost more than a used car. But what if you just want a backyard ripper that won't burn your house down or break your bank account? Today, we are cutting through the marketing lies. I've analyzed the specs, checked the real-world watt-hour math, and verified the safety certifications. These are the 8 best bang-for-your-buck electric pit bikes of 2026. Number 8. Razer MX 650. The Razer MX 650 remains the Honda Civic of the electric dirt bike world in 2026, dominating the ultra-budget category through its indestructible high-tensile steel frame and mechanical simplicity. While its stock performance, a 650-watt motor reaching 17 miles per hour, is modest and suited primarily for neighborhood cruising, its true value lies in its standardized construction. Unlike off-brand competitors that use proprietary parts and flimsy plastics, the MX 650 utilizes universal hardware, ensuring that every bolt and chain link is easily replaceable at any local shop, which keeps its resale value remarkably high. The real bang for your buck appeal of the MX 650 is its status as the ultimate blank canvas for enthusiasts. A massive aftermarket community offers plug-and-play kits that can transform this affordable starter into a 72-volt monster capable of 45 miles per hour and 5,000 watts of power. For those on a strict $1,000 budget who are handy with a wrench, pairing a used MX 650 frame with a lithium battery upgrade creates a machine that is more reliable, faster, and more customizable than bikes costing twice as much. Number 7. Heybike Villain. The Heybike Villain enters the 2026 market as a true disruptor, bridging the gap between budget play bikes and high-end electric motorcycles. Unlike competitors that hide behind electric bicycle labels, the Villain is an unapologetic light E-Moto, featuring a 52-volt mid-drive motor that pushes 4,160 watts of peak power. This setup delivers a staggering 190 millimeters of torque, allowing the bike to rocket from 0 to 10 miles per hour in under a second and reach a top speed of 45 miles per hour. It effectively provides the performance of a 110cc to 125cc gas pit bike, but with the instant silent power delivery unique to electric drivetrains. Structurally, the Villain is built for aggression, featuring a high-strength carbon steel frame that supports up to 265 pounds and a low center of gravity 14-inch front and 12-inch rear wheel setup. For its $1,399 price point, the component list is remarkably high-end, including 105mm travel hydraulic front forks, a nitrogen-charged rear shock, and oversized 190mm hydraulic disc brakes. It also introduces premium features like R-turn reverse assist and a magnetic emergency kill switch, making it a smart buy for riders who want the capability of a Sur-Ron without the $4,000 investment. Number 6. Segway X160. The Segway X160, dubbed the Surgeon, stands out in 2026 as the premier precision tool for technical riding. Unlike bulkier E-Motos, it features a scaled-down version of the legendary Sur-Ron forged aluminum frame, weighing a mere 106 pounds. This ultra-lightweight design, combined with an approachable 29.9-inch seat height, makes it the most agile bike in its class. While its 31 miles per hour top speed is modest, its 48-volt system delivers over 160 feet-pounds of torque, allowing it to snap from 0 to 30 miles per hour in just 4 seconds. Ideal for tight trails and backyard tracks where flickability is more important than raw speed. The true smart buy value of the X160 lies in its cross-compatible ecosystem and refined user experience. Because it shares DNA with the Sur-Ron, riders have access to a massive world of aftermarket upgrades, allowing the bike to grow from a nimble starter into a high-performance 72-volt machine as skills progress. Additionally, Segway's 9bot app provides a level of digital customization, such as adjustable regenerative braking and throttle curves, that many raw dirt bikes lack. It is the perfect choice for riders who want high-end engineering and a bike that feels like a natural extension of their body. Number 5. Sur-Ron Light Bee X. The Sur-Ron Light Bee X, LBX, remains the Honda Civic of the E-Moto world in 2026. Prized less for its out-of-the-box specs and more for its legendary aftermarket ecosystem. While its stock 60-volt 48-hour battery and 8 kilowatts of peak power are outpaced by newer rivals, It is the only bike on the market that can be completely rebuilt or upgraded from the ground up. With massive community support, every single bolt and circuit can be sourced at local shops, making it the ultimate high-performance canvas for riders who love to customize and wrench on their own machines. For the 2026 model year, Sur-Ron has refined the legend with a 19-inch front and 18-inch rear wheel setup for superior off-road traction, and a redesigned, pressure-forged aluminum frame that keeps the bike at a featherweight 125 pounds. This lightweight build, paired with a new FOC sine wave controller for adjustable power delivery, makes the LBX the gold standard for agility on tight technical trails. Because of its proven reliability and the ability to easily sell stock parts to other enthusiasts, the Sur-Ron holds its resale value better than any other brand, ensuring it remains a smart, long-term investment. Number 4. RAW Mantis X Pro. The RAW Mantis X Pro secures its spot at number 4 by offering exactly what most riders end up spending thousands to achieve: a pre-built 72-volt powerhouse that effectively renders the stock Sur-Ron obsolete. In 2026, it has become the definitive choice for those who want a ready-to-race platform without the hassle of aftermarket tuning. While its competitors are often built around 60-volt systems that struggle with voltage sag, the Mantis X Pro comes standard with a 72-volt 35Ah Samsung 50S battery and a massive 15-kilowatt peak motor. This combination is lethal on the trail, delivering over 280 feet-pounds of torque and a top speed of 65 miles per hour, with a blistering to 30 miles per hour acceleration of just 2.6 seconds, providing the snap needed to power through deep sandy berms or clear doubles that would bog down lesser bikes. What truly sets the Mantis X Pro apart as a smart buy is its over-engineered approach to structural safety and mechanical durability. Unlike the thin bicycle-style tubes found on budget clones, RAW uses an aircraft-grade 6061 aluminum alloy frame specifically reinforced to handle the violence of 15-kilowatt power. It replaces fragile primary belts with a sealed oil bath gearbox, a much more durable design that eliminates the risk of snapping a belt in the middle of a forest. The bike is rounded out with a pro-grade intelligent safety suite, including a magnetic lanyard kill switch, 220mm oversized hydraulic disc brakes, and a fully tunable smartphone app. This bridge between a play bike and a professional motocross machine ensures you spend your weekends riding the trails rather than wrenching in the garage. Number 3. Electro Co RTR Light. The Electro Co RTR Light earns its spot at number 3 as the definitive specialist machine of 2026. Engineered with a pure pit bike soul by California-based enthusiasts. Eschewing futuristic aesthetics for raw performance, it features a 5,000-watt peak output IPM brushless motor that outclasses traditional 110cc gas pit bikes with a top speed exceeding 45 miles per hour. Its 120-pound frame is built from high-grade triangulated tubular steel and includes a removable subframe, a critical feature that allows riders to replace only the tail section rather than the entire chassis after a heavy spill. The RTR Light stands out as a smart buy due to its incredible modularity and tool-free hot-swappable battery system. The stock 60-volt 20Ah pack can be swapped in under 10 seconds by simply lifting the quick-release seat, while the pre-drilled TrueMoto controller mounts offer a seamless path to upgrade to a 72-volt system without custom fabrication. Ergonomically, it feels like an authentic motorcycle with a 30-inch seat height and 48mm ENC-tuned front forks, trading generic bicycle components for specialized pit bike disc brakes and a robust number 35 heavy-duty chain. It is the ultimate platform for those who want a reliable backyard ripper that can evolve into a pro-grade racer. Number 2. The E-Ride Pro SS 3.0. The E-Ride Pro SS 3.0 is the bike I recommend to 80% of riders in 2026 because it represents the ultimate no-compromise build. For nearly the same price as a Sur-Ron, you are getting a machine that is objectively superior in every measurable category, effectively providing a pro-tuned experience straight out of the box. While the 2.0 was already a legend for its turbo button, the 2026 SS 3.0 has refined that power into a massive 16-kilowatt peak output paired with a class-leading 72-volt 50Ah 3,600 watt-hour battery. This is a massive gas tank that physically cannot be faked, offering 50% more range and significantly less voltage sag than the competition. You aren't just getting more speed, you're getting a bike that pulls linearly all the way to a 62 miles per hour top end, making it one of the few machines in this class that feels truly highway capable for short bursts. What makes the SS 3.0 a smart buy are the 29 critical upgrades E-Ride Pro introduced to handle this massive increase in torque. They've replaced the bicycle-grade components that plague other brands with a heavy-duty 428 chain, a widened 18mm drive belt with mud drainage grooves, and reinforced 12mm jack shaft bolts. Even the suspension has been overhauled, now featuring a specialized Fast Ace closed cartridge fork and an adjustable rear linkage that allows you to fine-tune your seat height by half an inch. To bring all that 16 kilowatt power to a halt, the bike utilizes oversized 220mm rotors that are 3mm thick, paired with dot-rated hydraulic calipers. Safety features that are mandatory when you're hitting 0 to 30 miles per hour in a blistering 2 seconds. Number 1. The Altus. The Altus Sigma claims the top spot for 2026 by shattering industry standards with its factory-stock 98-volt platform, delivering a staggering 22.5 kilowatts of peak power and 600 newton-meters of torque. This high-voltage architecture allows the bike to rival 250cc gas-powered dirt bikes, reaching speeds over 70 miles per hour with superior efficiency and minimal battery sag. By utilizing an advanced automotive-grade hairpin motor and a massive 3.4 kilowatt-hour Samsung 50S battery, the Sigma provides the high discharge punch necessary for extreme trail riding while maintaining smoother power delivery and better heat dissipation than traditional brushless setups. Beyond its raw speed, the Sigma represents the ultimate bang for your buck by offering professional-level hardware that would cost thousands in aftermarket upgrades on a Sur-Ron or Teleria. Altus has replaced fragile bicycle-standard components with a reinforced forged aluminum chassis and a heavy-duty gearbox, specifically engineered to handle the violence of off-road racing. For under $5,500, the Altus Sigma bridges the gap between lightweight play bikes and five-figure professional motocross machines, offering a ready-to-race powerhouse that dominates the 2026 market without requiring a single modification. Don't let a too-good-to-be-true price tag turn into a multi-thousand-dollar mistake. If you found this 2026 breakdown helpful, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss our upcoming deep dive on the top 5 hidden battery scams currently hitting online marketplaces. For a limited time, I've put together a 2026 pre-purchase inspection checklist that you can download via the link in the description. It's a step-by-step guide you can take with you to a dealership or a used market meetup to verify a bike's health in under 5 minutes.